What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode inside the Coleman Garage. First thing I want to say is thanks to all the people who watched, liked, and commented on the last videos. All the messages and the positive feedback has been amazing and honestly surprising. So you guys have liked the videos. I've got a couple small projects going on in the garage today, so I'm going to bring you guys along. Hope you enjoy. Also, if you haven't seen the last video addressing this side of the engine bay, go check it out. Don't want to give away too much. I think I'm going to start with the transmission flush on the GLI. I think the S4 will just be hanging out for today, looking dirty. Got a couple things I need to put on the yellow car. It actually got some new wheels the other day for it. So went and picked those up for pretty cheap the other day, since I robbed it of my wheels back finally. Gonna put those on, hopefully they fit. I can take those wheels out from underneath it, then put those wheels underneath the Audi, get these wheels off. I think it has coilovers maybe, and it has some parts underneath the car that I need. So hopefully we'll get to that. All I'm gonna need is the 17 mil Allen or hex bit and my drain bucket. All right, now that we're down under here, super simple. It's gonna be this bolt right here that has all the leaky fluid around it.
Nope. Bruh. Nope.
What the fuck? This is not the right tool.
All right, change of plans. Apparently I don't have the right tool. Either YouTube is lying to me or the previous owner swapped the factory bolts with some other tool that I don't have. Long story short, it's not getting done today. Moving on to the next thing, I'm going to take off a couple more things from the yellow car, put back stock parts so we can start getting that thing pieced back together to get out of here. I know I'm going to need 4 of those. And I think I'm even going to do this manifold. And then, do I have fuel injectors? So here we got 4 stock ignition coils, stock 1.8 T fuel injectors, and a stock intake manifold. Let's go see what we're working with on the yellow car. So here's what we got going on with the Imola GTI. I tried to cover it up the best I could so nothing got into the motor. Spark plugs are still in there, so we're good. And nothing in the turbo. We'll be taking these parts because those are aftermarket, and we will be swapping this one off even though this is stock. Somebody polished this. Somebody took a lot of time to polish this. So also, the fuel injectors in here are from an Audi TT 225. I'll be taking those out for the stock ones. That should be all the aftermarket parts off this car. can actually see the difference. They're both stock manifolds, except somebody took a lot of time to polish this one. They're both aluminum, both made out of the same material. This just has this factory cast aluminum finish. But if you sat here and sanded and scrubbed and sanded and scrubbed, it comes off. So that one's going back in the car. This one can be sold.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
That's about all the wrenching I want to do on this thing for today. At least we got the important bits off. So I'm gonna put these wheels on real quick, get those beater wheels off, and then try to throw them underneath the Audi. All right, that's enough wrenching on the GTI for now. I'll put those wheels under the PartS4 some other time.
The next day.
All right, got a beautiful day here in quarantine. I think I'm gonna take a little time this morning to go ahead and get those wheels underneath this Audi S4 parts car. There's a couple things underneath I want to look at. Potentially might have some good parts left, so just came across some good news. After getting these two side wheels off, I was expecting just coilovers, but instead, not only is it coilovers, but it's BC Racing coilovers, as well as looks like brand new lightweight aluminum lower control arms and upper control arms. These parts look much newer and in much better shape than the ones that are on my car, because my car is bone stock. So looks like we just stumbled across some more goodies that we will be needing. Awesome. Parts cars just keep getting better and better. So there we have it. The PartS4 car is finally prepped for its final donation. It's got the AMG wheels off here. They're in better shape than I thought, so those will get posted and sold. Also, we discovered a bunch of goodies in here. Another day, all of these will get swapped over to the good S4. But what I'm mostly excited about is something I just picked up for the black car, and it's these right here. If you don't know what these are, this is actually